PowerFamily.
Hey, what's up, PowerFamily? How you guys doing? Hey, what's up, everybody else? How you guys doing? And today I'm gonna bring you a unboxing of this very special thing that I got on eBay. Now, I ordered this on November 1st, 2019. I didn't receive this until yesterday, November 6th, 2019. When I ordered this on November 1st, it didn't ship until Monday. I never had a package not ship on the same day that I ordered it. So that was kind of weird. The seller said he didn't ship Saturday and Sunday. I was like, okay, that's fine, you know. And I gave him a 5-star review and all that good stuff. I was surprised that the package came Wednesday. The package said it would come Thursday, but it came Wednesday, so I was kind of surprised about that. So it only took 2 days to ship. So when he said Monday, it only took 2 days to come to me. By Wednesday around 1:30 it came. And he shipped the package, I think Monday at 1 p.m., 12:30 he shipped the package. So it only took less than about a day to really get to me. About a day, probably a day and a half, probably 2 days. It came to me, so it was relatively really fast. You know, I didn't expect it to be that fast, but it did. So I'm gonna do a unboxing of this. This is a 2011 Macbook Air, mid-2011 Macbook Air Core i5, 1.63 or 1.65 gigahertz, 4 gigabytes of DDR3, 1000 megahertz, 1033 megahertz RAM. The only problem with this MacBook Air is you can't upgrade the memory or the CPU. It's soldered down to the board, so you would have to buy a whole new logic board with a upgraded CPU and upgraded RAM, like a Core i7 CPU with 8 gigabytes of RAM, and then swap out the logic board and then put the new logic board in. But on these 2011 models, you can't have more than 4 gigabytes. They don't go up to 8 gigabytes. All you can have is 2 gigabytes or 4 gigabytes with a Core i3 or Core i5. So these models are locked with those kind of specs, which is okay. It's not too bad. I have Office 2016 and Photoshop installed on this with OS X High Sierra. So that's pretty good. It's a first installation. I like to do a clean install, but it only has Photoshop and Office on here, so I'm not going to wipe out those programs. That I'll lose them unless I transfer the programs on another Mac, which I might do eventually. But for now, I'm gonna leave it as it is, because it is a clean installation, anyways. So I'm gonna do this unboxing of this 2011 MacBook Air right now. So stay tuned for that. I'll be right back, guys. Oh yeah, MacBook Air. Here we go. Okay, so here we go. Time for the unboxing. Okay, so this right here is the charger port that it comes in right here. Open this up really quick. Comes in the baggie. So it's kind of like the other charging port I have on my 2009 MacBook Pro. It's the same exact design. It's no different. It's the same design. Same little metal, that same connector right there. So that's pretty cool. That's nice. I don't know if you use the 2009 MacBook Pro charger on the 2011 here. That's something I'm going to look into and see if that's possible. But I think you probably cannot. See, I may not need a knife for this. I have a knife in the room. See, I may not need I'm gonna get a case for this MacBook here. I'm gonna get some sort of case for it. Oh wow, this is really nice. Oh wow, look at that. That's really nice. Wow, man, look how tiny this is. Man, that's really nice. I have to clean these kind of dirty. Overall, that's pretty nice. It has a mark right there. I have to wash that off. But that's pretty nice. Not too bad. There's a mark right there. I'm gonna have to wash that mark off. Not too bad. The Apple logo is right there. That's pretty nice. Like that. And here's the fan vent installation like that here. And it weighs about 2.3 pounds, I do believe. It's a mid-2011 MacBook Air. And it's so light. It's so light. I've never held a MacBook Air in my life before. This is the first time I've ever owned. I ever owned and held a MacBook Air before. I never held one and owned one in my life. I'm gonna have to get a case to put over this MacBook Air to protect it. It only has about 4 ports on it. It has, let's see, it has a Firewire display port, well, a lightning connector display port, I should say, and it has a USB 2.0 port right there, and then it has right there on the side, right like that, right there. Like that over there, and then it has the charging port right here, the MagSafe charging port, another USB 2.0 port, and a headphone jack, and a speaker, a mini speaker port right there on that side, like that. That's pretty nice. Wow, it's so light, man, it's so light, and it feels nothing in your hands, it's so light. Man, I'm so happy I got this. It only cost me about $250 on eBay, so wasn't too bad. Wasn't too bad indeed. You can just lift it up with one finger. Nice. Okay. That's really nice to know. Wow, it has a nice big relaxed crap pad just like the other one has. And the power button is on the keyboard, not on the laptop itself. And it has a backlit keyboard on it. The keyboard's backlit. The webcam is up top with the built-in speaker. Macbook Air screen is really nice. The inside is flawless, man. It's absolutely flawless. What? Is a crack in the screen? What? No. No. There's no crack in the screen. There's a little tiny crack in the screen. There's a little tiny crack in the screen. What? What? No. Are you kidding me? There's a little tiny crack in the screen. I'm just kidding, guys. I hope I got something at the end. I was just kidding. I was just kidding. But that was pretty funny, though. Not as funny as the first time I did it, but I tried to make it funny. Yeah, the screen is beautiful. It's nice and beautiful. There's no crack in the screen. Oh yeah, let me power it on. The keyboard is really nice. Power on right now. 1, 2, 3. Let's see if it has any juice. Oh yeah, classic one. There's no crack in the screen, but it's kind of dirty right there. I'm gonna have to clean that. And the keyboard lights up right there. Right like that. That's pretty nice. And the Apple logo is right there. Oh, it's actually with the password. Oh, protecting the password. Logs me in. There's Photoshop right there. That's Photoshop. Office. Right there. So that's pretty nice. I'm gonna have to change a few things and customize it to my liking, but that's pretty nice. Overall, not too bad. Not too bad. $250. Not too bad at all. So that's my new MacBook Air right there, looking all pretty and beautiful, just like its big brother, the MacBook Pro laptop I have. I'm gonna have to clean the screen a little bit. It's kind of dirty, but other than that, it's absolutely flawless. Backlit keyboard and everything. So, as always, guys, this is the Power99FM here saying peace and stay classy, yo. And do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you are new. And as always, guys, this is the Power99FM here saying peace and stay classy, yo. And I'll see you in the next one, Power Family. Peace. And I haven't cleaned up the drench yet. I'm gonna do that pretty soon. I might leave the twisted tea right there because that looks pretty nice like that. But the Powerade is going to go. So I hope everyone has a good one, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace. Oh, and real quick, I want to say something about this. This is a Duracell rechargeable battery pack. It has 4 batteries. It's rechargeable. when the lights, when you plug it in, it goes red for charging, okay? And then when it fully charges, well, when it's done, like ready to use, it blinks green to know that it's ready to be used. It blinks green like that to know that it's ready to be used, okay? But they're still charging. It takes about 4 hours to fully charge these rechargeable batteries. So when you see the lights blink like that, that means it's still charging, but it's ready to use, but it's still charging. Now after you wait 4 hours, okay, after you wait 4 hours, the batteries will stay green. The batteries will stay green, they won't blink anymore. So when the batteries stay green, that means it's done fully charged. It's done charging, it's fully charged. But you have to wait 4 hours for the batteries to stop charging. Right now they're just ready to be used, but they're not done charging yet. I just wanted to, there's a misconception with these batteries on the internet that I wanted to clear up. I might do a video on them. They're really nice batteries, except I heard that the charging unit is kind of faulty. I heard, but I haven't experienced that myself. You might experience a solid, a blinking red light. If you experience a blinking red light, that means there's something wrong with the batteries or the charger itself, either one. I'll do a video on it. I just wanted to talk about that real quick.
Squab waiting comment to the Power99FM.
Well, at least she said the Power99FM good, so that's good. But the other stuff was just way off, so. It just won't go back.